I'm Grant Trick. I own Design Industry Workroom. We're in Birmingham, Alabama. We work with designers and architects from all over the country. We make custom upholstered furniture, drapery, soft furnishings. We do everything from the most modern to the most traditional. It's hard not to fall in love with Samuel & Sons because almost every piece of trim that comes through our workroom is from them. We've just come to expect excellence. It is always on time. It is always of the highest quality. The customer service is the best, and it's just you work with people you like working with, and we like working with them. Nailheads are timeless. They seem to never go out of style. As long as there's custom upholstery, we will not get away from nailheads, I feel sure. And I guess people are looking for ways to maybe freshen them up, or a new application, or just something different than a straight row of head-to-head nails. And so a lot of times we'll specify, or the designer will provide a narrow tape trim, about 1/2 inch in that family, give or take. And so we'll lay that tape trim, and then we'll space nailheads over it. So you've got a bit of a clean line, and then maybe some spaced nailheads that really maybe define the edge of a door or an upholstered wall panel. We do this a lot on headboards. It's an extra layer, again, just making something feel more custom, more special. I suppose the trickiest part of working with nailheads, period, is the spacing. But when you get to laying them over a tape trim, you're not putting them head to head, so you've got to do a little bit more planning. The important thing is, say we want a nailhead every inch, which allows about a 1/2 inch space in between. You can't just mark your tape trim, as the tape trim will stretch, and as you're putting them down, so it's important to mark the piece that you're actually applying the nails to. I prefer to put my tape trim on as I'm putting the nail heads on. I find if you could put your tape trim on first and have it all affixed, and then you apply nail heads, that it will start to pull and give as the nails move into the padding. So it's important to put them on simultaneously. You'll also need to plan your spacing, whether it is before you get to the end of a run or as you approach the end of a run. Because say we're doing a box of tape trim with nails spaced around it, you'll need a nail in every corner, and you'll need to work out your spacing in between. You may have to make some adjustments as you approach the end.